Okay, guys, really quickly before this video cuts off, Dollar Tree. These are in the Dollar Tree. There's pink and blue. I only found blue. I grabbed one for my feet really quickly. I found some more of the Take It To Go cups. I love these when I don't have time to stop by Dunkin' Donuts in the morning and I make coffee at the house, or if I'm just running out on the weekend and I just want to fix me a cup of coffee. Those, I wish I could have found another color because I already have purple. The Refresh car fresheners are back in the Dollar Tree. They smell really, really good. And also the Swivel, is that how you say that? Swappville Morning Sun. And they also had vanilla something, and I do want to try that one. I've never tried these before, so I want to see how they work with the clothes. But these are some things that I found in the Dollar Tree that I definitely want to share with you guys. So if you're looking for them, or if you go to the Dollar Tree, definitely check it out. These are name brand things that I know are really good. Well, I don't know if this is really good, but I'm going to find out. It takes one AA battery. I did buy a pack of AA batteries from the Dollar Tree, but I do find with these things, you need to get like name brand AA batteries. And I think I have some like Energizer at the house. But just in case I didn't, I wanted to grab a battery just in case, so I can try it out on my feet. I'll let y'all know how I feel about that. But I wanted to let you guys know that those things are recently showing up in the Dollar Tree. So go check out your local Dollar Tree and see if you can find it. Let me know if you have used any of it, especially the laundry stuff. It says to put it in during the rinse cycle. If you've used any of that, let me know, because I always just use Gain dryer sheets. I always use Gain dryer sheets. So I want to try that out, that liquid, whatever it's called, swivel, whatever. Some of y'all will try to tell me what it's called and down below, and I still won't figure it out. But this right here, if anybody has used any of this, holla at your girl, let me know how it is, because if so, I'm going back to get that vanilla one. There was a vanilla one that I'm going to go back and get. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.